Subject of this Friday's video is the 67 Mustang. Started to really get onto the sanding it down to getting the metal to show. Just kind of wanted to show, let's see here, what's going on or happening with this car. Yeah, let's see here, it's showing pretty good. See here. One of the nice parts about taking the car to metal is you get to see all the repairs, right? Or all the damage. So this whole quarter section was replaced, right? And then it was wrecked again, and it was all pulled out. And then there's either part of the wreck or a rust repair down here. So I don't know, just kind of a lesson to just show everybody, you know, what really is underneath all that filler and paint. So thought it might be of interest to a few people. So anyway,